How to cancel a pending bet on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you are on the home screen, head straight to the history section. This section shows all your active, pending and settled bets. Next, look for the bet you want to cancel. It must be listed as pending because only pending bets can be cancelled. If it's already been accepted or the event has started, you won't be able to cancel it. Once you locate the pending bet, tap on it to open the detailed view. Then, check if there's an option to cancel the bet. You will usually see a cancel or cancel bet button if it's still eligible. Tap on that and confirm your choice. The system may take a few seconds to process, and once it's done, you should see a notification that the bet has been successfully cancelled. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a pending bet on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.